Okay, so as we continue on working on this Fox Body Mustang, we're going to work on gaskets or weather stripping, and I want to show you what you can do. Here's what we have, and here's what it will become. Alright, now this one's quick and easy, so let's take a look at how it's done. We're tackling the door gasket. As we take a look, you can see the gasket is in terrible shape. It is cracked, ripped, and crumbling. There are 5 rivets and 2 plastic pins, which all need to be removed in order to install the new gasket. Here are 2 rivets holding the door molding end cap in place. Since we have to remove the rivets and the end cap is not in great shape, we will replace it also. Rivets are awesome tools to use as fasteners because they do not come loose easily, so we will drill them out to remove them. It is always a good idea to wear eye protection when drilling out rivets because shards can fly from the drill and enter your eye. We do not want any metal flakes flying into our eyes. Please check out my other video where we did a walkthrough of all the weather stripping that would need to be replaced. We have drilled each rivet. Now it's time to remove it. This is so easy, unless you do not fully drill out the rivet, as you can see, as I did here. Ah, there. Now it's removed. I'm cleaning the area because 30 years of dirt and grime is just gross. We're not applying any adhesive or glue, but just thought it'd be good to clean the space. Cleaning is finished, so let's put the new gasket on. We'll tuck this tab under the hockey stick trim. I will also pin in the bottom right side. These attaching points will sure make installing the new rivets easier, especially while holding a camera. Putting in the pins one-handed is easier said than done. Now let's get these rivets installed. Take a look at my video where we show how to use a rivet gun. We have the main portion riveted, and now we need to install the end cap. The end cap will need 2 rivets to hold this piece in place. Okay, let's take a look at this work and see if we're done. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. You haven't done it already? Don't forget to smash the thumbs up if you like the content, and of course, leave comments. I love the interaction.